2 or 3 days ago is that when I'm doing the walking, I think it's the letting go. I'm so happy. I can't describe how I feel, but I'm just really happy from inside. And I just
Wow.
started that, like, it's 2 or 3 days. It's not that much, but it's a really good feeling. And I think it's because I know I have issues with letting go. But I feel that feeling is the letting go, and I'm so happy.
That's great.
So now I want to do the practice more and more to get to that. Yesterday at work, because my job is with computers from 9 to 5, and yesterday I thought, wow, I don't have that neck and shoulder pain that I always have. I mean, it's some days it's less, some days it's worse, but yesterday I was thinking, wow, it's gone and I don't have it anymore. And I was just, thinking about it and checking it out constantly to see when it comes back. And I mean, it's completely, my back, my shoulder is light.